Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer, where we only trade when the market pays us to. Let's get right into it. Update on our dollar index. As you can see, this is pretty much a reset here. I can confirm that now, and this is 2 levels of drop, so that gives you some perspective onto what we expect in terms of the dollar index, or the dollar rather. Let's see the pound. Very nice looking reset here. Actually, this is how I want a reset to form. By the way, it must go a full level down, and then the reset level must break that high. This is a clean reset. I can do these kind every day. Yeah, 2 levels of rise for pound. Good movement here. The euro, almost identical. Again, also 2 levels of rise there. I'm anticipating one more level before we change direction. USDCAD, again, I factored in the reset here. Again, what I love about USDCAD, they would always give you clean levels. We get one nice clean level going up, and then yeah, I expect 2 more levels going down for the USDCAD. Dollar Swiss, I will say that I'm not married to what I'm seeing here, or what I've decided to put onto it, but what I have is 2 levels of drop. So basically this was some mad reset of some sort, and then yeah, 2 levels of drop here, maybe one more level of drop. I am cautious because it could just be the 3rd level to this move here, and then we reverse from here. So I'm not likely to trade. Maybe I'll go short. I'll look for short opportunities, but I'm not going to force anything. EURGBP is another one that has decided to turn its back on me. This could be a reset level. I'm not sure. What matters is how they treat this area here, which I'll only know truly after the market has done its thing for the day. So yeah, I'll be staying out there, and then I'll know. Considering that today is Thursday, it's more likely going to be something that affects me on Monday. But yeah, I'll keep monitoring here and see what goes down. Euro Swiss franc have done their thing. 1 level of drop here. Nice sharp reversal. Leave no room for confusion. Yeah, 2 more levels of drop here. Plain and simple. I think the market is pretty clear today. GJ and EJ, I'm still staying out until further notice. I will let you know as soon as I make a decision. I do think EJ has completed 3 levels of rise, though, I must be honest, and I am anticipating a reversal here. I just want to check. Let's see the pip count actually from here. Yeah, actually, there's no reason for me to question anything. EJ, I am ready for a reversal here. I'll put a level count line much later for the next video, but yeah, I'm ready to short here. I'm sure the opportunity presents itself. Let's go back to entries. We want to go long on the cable, ideally at the initial low, Asian session low. I think it's the one I can trust. Would not get involved if it goes too far towards last week's low. For interest sake, if anybody doesn't know, I keep forgetting to remind you guys, green line represents last week's highs and lows, and the orange one represents the previous months. The euro, same thing. Like I said, I want to go long here. Do we have a first leg? Let's take a quick look. See, it appears we do. Guess I really am late today. Yep, this is definitely my first leg. Got a nice shark fin here. Yes, beautiful shark fin. Yeah, this one, just please come back for me so I can take a position here. I want to go long right there, and I will be ready with my entry. Dollar CAD, can we go short somewhere? Asian session high, yes, ADR is nice and far from here. We want to go short here. I tend to put them slightly above this because it's not likely, it's not often that they actually do it right here. They usually go slightly above. That's one of the signs that tell you anyway. So Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. USDCAD. Am I really comfortable selling this? Let's take a look. We'll have a look. No, I'm not. Too close to the ADR high. Staying out of that. It likely will drop from there, to be honest, but that means nothing for me at this point. Nothing for EURGBP. I would love to sell Euro-Swiss franc, but ADR high is just way too close. And then finally, GJ. I would short GJ. And they might be done, by the way. I want to short them, but this could be somewhat of a two-legged formation. None that I would trade, that's for sure, but it looks like a two-legged formation. Let's see what they do again here above the initial. Yeah, since this isn't the first leg here, it's not ideal, to be honest, but we'll see how price develops. Maybe we can get a short. And yeah, that's my watch list for today. Again, if you guys find any value in these videos, please hit the like button. That will help get it to some BTMM traders. You guys already know the spiel. Subscribe as well if you hadn't already. You know, two links in the description. One takes you straight to Telegram channel. That's where you'll find my macro updates when they are necessary. It's not an everyday thing. Sometimes I might even go a whole week without one. Like this week seems like one of those. But yeah, for future reference, get in there. The macro update makes a difference. It makes a difference to my trading. Maybe it can help you too. And finally, the discussion group as well. You'll find that link in the description. Just a BTMM traders community. So surely you'd find some value in there. You'll find it all in the description. And that's it for me today. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, just a heads up, I won't be making a video tomorrow. I've got some things, I have places to be early tomorrow morning, so I'll only have time to do my own analysis and do my own markups. Unfortunately, I can't record a video and edit it, but I guess I'll see you guys on Monday.